Hey guys, welcome to today's short little video. Today we're going to be replacing my AC pulley on my 2011 Isuzu D-Max that has a 4JJ1. This is in preparation of me actually moving to Cairns, so I've been doing checks and I've noticed that my belt was pretty damaged, and I also found out that this pulley's bearing was actually making a lot of noise. So we're going to pull it off and put a brand new one on. So let's go. Okay, so here is my AC pulley that is making noise. So what I'm going to essentially do is I'm going to loosen this nut here. That will allow me to get behind this little hose here and start loosening this bolt, which will in turn raise or lower, whichever you want to do, this pulley here. So I'm just lowering the pulley now to get the belt off and pull this pulley off. Brand new one. So we take this part off the old one, which is a spacer, put it on the brand new one, and that can go on. So what I'm doing now is just tensioning the belt back up. Just checking that the belt's got enough play, it's not too tight and it's not too loose. And then we can do the lock nut. And that's the job done. Simple job today. Okay guys, that concludes today's short little video on me doing some maintenance on my four-wheel drive. And as always, till next time, I will see you then.